Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making green chicken sticks. For this, here I have taken 200 grams of boneless chicken cut into pieces like this, slightly large. 4 tablespoons of curd, a handful of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, 5 to 6 green chilies roughly sliced, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of mango powder or amchur or khatai powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I am using ginger and garlic powder, but if you want you can use ginger and garlic paste also. Now here in this blender I will add curd, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, coriander, Bismillah, mint, Bismillah, green chilies, Bismillah, lemon, Bismillah, and I will add in 1/4 cup of water also. 1/4 cup of water, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oil, Bismillah, and all the spices, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cover the lid of this blender, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will blend this, Bismillah. Blend this into a smooth paste, Bismillah. Now here I have blended all the ingredients, and now I will pour this mixture over chicken, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will leave this chicken to marinate overnight. And as I am marinating this overnight, so I will refrigerate this. But if you are in hurry, then at least you have to marinate this chicken for 2 hours. Now last night I have marinated this chicken, and now I will thread the chicken on the skewers. I am using these metal skewers, but if you want you can use wooden skewers also. Now here I have threaded the chicken on the skewers, and now this is ready to go in the oven. Now this chicken is in the oven, and I will bake this for 25 to 30 minutes or till chicken is completely cooked. And my oven is preheated at 160 degrees Celsius. Now this chicken is baking, and this is the leftover marinade. Now I will put this marinade in the pan, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and I will cook this for 2 to 3 minutes till it's rapidly boils, but it should not get thick. Now see, this is rapidly boiling. I will turn off the flame and I will serve the chicken sticks with this leftover marinade sauce. Now after 30 minutes I have taken out the chicken from the oven. This is completely cooked, and now at this stage this is done. Very simple and easy. Chicken skewers are ready to be served. I am serving this with leftover marinade sauce, and if you want you can serve this chicken with rice or roti or garlic bread, anything you like. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.